Hey, it's Heather. There was a few videos ago I was telling you guys that you should never whack. And today I'm going to tell you about an exception. So where we are in Indiana, one plant that is invasive that we have a problem with is Amur honeysuckle in the Lonicera family. And this is a good plant to whack. And so that's actually what I'm doing here today. I'm going to show you one way you can identify it. It has opposite budded leaves, and this time of year it's starting to ripen up the berries, which is one reason why I've been kind of freaking out about getting this bunch of stuff out of here. So what I really want to show you is what happens to an area here in Indiana when we have this plant and it doesn't get controlled. So you can see here on the ground there are no plants. There is nothing. So I mean, I've been opening up a little bit, just cutting down some honeysuckle, but this is dark. And so Amur honeysuckle really blocks the sunlight for a lot of our native understory plants. Here's a cool little thing too. These little satellite guys, that some of them are satellites, some of them off of a mother plant, some of them are berries, but these little guys pull out super easy. Yeah, so this is a problem because once the Amur honeysuckle is done flowering, there is nothing in this little spot for pollinators to use for food. And we can't have them going hungry, because then they can't pollinate our food. So anyway, so this is, I guess, technically fall now. And so what I'm doing is, just whacking, and then I'm prioritizing branches that have berries on them to get out of here. The plan is to leave a few of the limbs around to just protect the soil while stuff is waiting to come up. So yeah, I want to show you one place where there wasn't that much honeysuckle. It was just, this nice white pine. It's kind of, keeping the honeysuckle from getting started in here. But there are plants. Okay, not a huge variety, but we do have a eupatorium called white snake root. So that's a nice guy. Yeah, there's creeping Charlie. I'll get him out of here. We got some Virginia creeper. But really, once the honeysuckle's out of here, there should be some more plants coming up. I did see some Lobelia inflata on the property, so I'm probably going to bring some of those seeds over. But that's one of the coolest things about removing invasive plants is like, so right now this like looks like nothing, but I would put money on it that next year there will be things coming up just because light is going to get down to the ground and stuff's going to wake back up. I've seen it. It's really cool. Especially things like goldenrods, all the goldenrods, they'll wake back up. Probably some spring ephemerals that have been getting shaded out. But yeah, so, you know, check out your any opposite budded plants on your property and just investigate if they are, you know, could be honeysuckle. And, you know, now's kind of a last stab of the year to get them out of here before, you know, birds start eating the berries and spreading them all over the place. So anyway, yeah, go ahead, get rid of your Amur honeysuckle. It doesn't play well here. And yeah, so yeah, if you have any questions, give me a holler. And yeah, we'll talk about this again. Have a great day. Bye.